Sincerely, sorry guys. The entire session that we did not record, so I'm really sorry. Let me quickly make this video to explain the assignment. So the assignment says, this is the data for the first question, right? The assignment says, write a formula to find the total sales for laptop, right? So now, what you could have easily done is say, you go to sum, right? Is equal to sum, and just sum all of this up and close it, right? But that will not be the answer, and you know why that will not be the answer? Because this answer now is the sum of the sales of the entire product. But what you are looking for is the sum of this total, the total sales for only laptop. So it means that there's a condition. So you just go back and do is equal to sum if, not just sum if. So what is the range? The range is, you're checking for laptop and other product, the entire product. So that is the range. Is equal to comma. What's the criteria? The criteria is laptop, right? So comma. Now what is the sum range? The sum range is from C3 to C9, right? So close it, and there you go. That's the answer, right? 4,000. If you want to cross check your answer, come here and filter for only laptop, and you see what you have. So the sum of these three should give you 4,000. So I hope you are very good with that. So now what's the next question? The next question says, in another cell, write a formula to find total sales for the north region. How do you go about this? Similarly, you could have just said you go to sum, right? The sum of all of this. But once again, that will be wrong, right? So because you're talking about the sum of the sale for only the north region. So in like manner, when you say sum if only north region. So what is the range? The range is the region column, right? So what is the criteria? What's the condition? The condition is not. So put that within quotation, not. So and then what is the sum range? Once again, the sum range is C3 to C9. Close that, and there you go. You have your answer. Let's move on to the second question. Now what's the second question? The second question says, write a formula to find the average performance scores for the sales department, right? The average performance score for the sales department. Similarly, anybody could have just done average, right? So I just said the average of this, right? But that would be wrong because you're looking for the average performance score for only the sales department. So once again, you come here and say average if. So what is the range? The range is the department, right? So the entire department. So that is the range, right? So G3 to G9. What's the criteria? Criteria is sales. So come here and put sales. So and then what is the average range? Average range is H3 to H9. So close that. Bam. Good. So 92. And the second question, which is the last question, write a formula to count how many employees are in the marketing department. How many employees are in the marketing department? So once again, you want to count. But you cannot just say count and count all of this. Your answer will be wrong, right? You want to count how many employees in the marketing department. So you go and say is equal to count if, tab open, count if, then what is the range? Department is the range, right? So and then what is the criteria? What's the condition? Marketing department. So marketing. So close your quotes, close your brackets. There you go. So there are 2 employees in the marketing department. If you come here and change this department from marketing to sales, you have 3 because there are 3 employees in the marketing department. You come here and say no, not sales again. I want to change this to IT. You see 2 because there are 2 employees, Charlie and Frank, in the IT department. I hope this makes sense to you. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. My name remains Salako Emmanuel. You can also call me Salako the analyst. Thank you for joining today's class. Peace and love, guys.